Alright, YouTubers, I'm back. I did my roof, and as you know in previous posts, if you watched any of them, I keep finding more and more rot. So I just removed this entire back wall of the vehicle, trailer, cleaned it all up. I have to cut some screws out that are rusted in place, or grind them out, one or the other. But as you can see, I got rot everywhere. I'm leaving those little tails there. I'm going to put a little header across that, and then go down from there, tie them in. And I removed the carpet that was in there. It was a felt carpet. And remove that so I could get the stench out. And as you can see, that's all there. It stinks like hell. You can see the rat shit or piss all over it. That's actually the old slide out roof, and that's my bottom piece of aluminum that I'm going to have to straighten out the best I can so I can install it back in there. It'll clean up. I've had it in there before. It wrinkled over coming home from a trip up to Warrensburg, New York, and look out my rearview mirror and my siding's flapping in the wind with insulation blowing away. But anyway, I took care of the slide outs. I put new sidewalls in, put new panels, FRP panels on the outside. This is what the side here looks like. Clear through. Anyway, I should go up and show you this. Top of the roof, it's not slid all the way out, but you'll get the idea. I'm just waiting for the rubber roof to show up, waiting UPS, finalize everything here. I still got to put the track across here with the butyl tape, then cut off the excess. I got to cut everything off on the excess, but clean, clear roof. I removed the top track because of the back wall. Alright, I'm going to start tackling every single spot that I see. I got to put a new water line in there. See my LVL beam. Put an LVL across there. And again, you can see mice, rats, whatever they are, find their way into everything. Chewed up all the hose on the water tank inlet. So when you're filling up your tank, some of it's going in the tank and some of it's going all in the floor system. Anyway, it's the other FRP side, but I didn't cut out the window yet. I did that late last night. So that's actually ready to clean up the insulation and install that panel. The outside corners could go in, but little by little. Alright, so I removed the carpet. I found vinyl flooring. It's getting ready to leave the vinyl, and I started plucking the corner up to see underneath. And all the edges were pretty crafty, so I'm going to scrub them all out, bleach them up, and kill whatever there. I removed this bed, hingeable bed, because it's like crap. I'll show that to you. This is the underside. But when you look at the place to lay down, it's pretty sad. So I'm just going to replace that with new plywood, clean it up. Hopefully this sun is so nice and hot, and it'll end up killing this mold growth. I'm trying to get all that stench out, you know, which I think I've accomplished. I'm going to use some mold control. And if that doesn't work, bleach. Alright.